What's on your plate? Today we gon' grub for under half a dub. Today we at Checkers for some grub in Miramar, Florida. Gotta pour one for the GT up.
1,000.
Let's pop this thing open.
Wait for
Although they messed up my order, looking good for the $9.93.
Kisa.
This is the cheddar mother cruncher chicken sandwich combo with a side of fries and a drink. Fries. Hit that bitch.
I'm away.
They shorted me on the fries, but the taste is fire. Cheddar mother cruncher chicken sandwich hit that bitch.
Bitch.
Chicken breast with the crunchy breading. All the toppings fresh. It's cheesy with the cheddar cheese bun. Oh, pie! Fam, this is not what I ordered, but it still got me right. Try this today, not tomorrow.